Good morning, Mananda. How are you all? Okay, my name is Sachin. I'm the faculty of Social Studies. Today, I will teach you the first lesson of 6th class. What is the first lesson? Reading and making maps. Okay, reading and making maps. First of all, I will give a small introduction about the lesson. First of all, you have to know what is meant by map. What is mean by map? See, map is nothing but it is a model of the earth. Okay, map is nothing but it is a model of the earth. It shows different landforms. It shows different landforms. Sir, what do you mean by different landforms, sir? Okay, see, for example, the map shows about the plains. It shows about the plateaus. It shows about the mountains. Okay, and it shows about the coastal regions. Okay, maps, etc. A map shows about these different types all over the earth. Okay, map shows about the plains, plateaus, mountains, coastal regions. Okay, this is about the introduction of the map. Plains is nothing but it is a lowlands. You know already, near the plain region we can irrigate more and more crops. Okay, irrigation is more near the plains. We have the Gangetic Plain. Okay, you know already Ganga, which is originated in the northeast. Okay, you have to know this one. Near the Uttarakhand, the origin of the river Ganga is Uttarakhand. Okay, you have to know. And what mean plateaus? Plateau means highlands. It is also called tableland. Okay, you know already. Our Telangana is in which plateau? Our Telangana is in Deccan Plateau. Okay, you know about the mountains, Himalayas. Okay, and you know about the coastal regions. Near to the sea, Mumbai is a coastal region. Visakhapatnam is a coastal region. Okay, you know this one all very well. First of all, I will say about the uses of maps. What are the uses of the maps? Okay, first of all, we can find a particular location. For example, I will ask a question for you. Okay, in which side the Gujarat state is there? We can find a single suddenly, sir. I will say, sir. Yes. Okay, say what is the answer? Sir, Gujarat lies in the west direction. Signal I ask, okay, our state lies in which direction? You say about our state lies in the south direction. Okay, so that by knowing the map pointing, we can find out the particular location. Okay, next we can find what are the crops are grown in a particular region. For example, in Hyderabad, we can see number of black soils. Okay, in the black soil, okay, cotton is irrigating more and more. Cotton is useful in the black soil. In our region, we have the red soil, and sometimes we have the black soil. Okay, that will come in the next class. Fine. Next, we can find out the rainfall. We can find out the rainfall. Where the rainfall is more, where the rainfall is less. For example, Rajasthan, near the Thar desert, there is no rainfall. If I ask the question, where is the third desert? Okay, you'll say the answer. Sir, the third desert is in Rajasthan. Similarly, if I ask where is the Himalayas? Sir, Himalayas lies in the north region and towards the northeast. Why you will say this all? By knowing the maps, you are elaborating total. You cannot see by going there. These Himalayas. You cannot see. You cannot say. But by knowing the map, you can know everything in our whole world. You can find out where the Sahara Desert. Where is Sahara Desert? The Sahara Desert is in the Africa north side. Okay, you have to know. Okay, next topic. I will say about the types of maps. Types of maps. Maps are in three types. For example, first one. Physical maps. Political maps. Thematic maps. Okay, very important. Okay, they'll ask the question, what are the types of maps? Okay, types of maps. Physical maps, political maps, thematic maps. Sir, what do you mean by physical maps, sir? Yes, a physical map is nothing but it shows about the natural features. Okay, natural features. Sir, what do you mean by natural features, sir? Yes. Natural features means they will show about the mountains, about the plains, about the plateaus, okay, etc. There are the question indirectly also. The map which shows about the mountains, plains, plateaus is called physical maps. Okay, this is about the physical maps. Next, come to the next topic, political map. Okay, map showing about the cities, villages, cities, countries, etc. is called the political map. It's called the political maps. Okay, understood all of you? Next, come to the third one, thematic maps. Okay, what do you mean by thematic maps? Thematic map, nothing but it shows only one aspect. It shows only one aspect and only one thing only. For example, total India plains means only one plains is there. That is called thematic maps. For example, India number of plateaus in India means only one. Thematic map. Distribution of rainfall in our country. There is only one aspect means distribution of rainfall. Okay, about the rice growing states in India, it's only one aspect. It's called the thematic maps. Understood all of you? I'll say once again. If you have any doubts, okay, if you have any doubts, you can contact. Okay, you can make the comment also. Next, first of all, I'll say again and again. What do you mean by physical maps? Physical maps, nothing but it shows the natural features like plains, plateaus, mountains. It's called the physical maps. What do you mean by political maps? It show map showing the map which are showing about the villages, cities, countries, etc. are called political maps. Next, what do you mean by thematic maps? It shows only one aspect like distribution of rainfall, about the plains in India, about the plateaus in India. It's called the thematic maps. Understood all of you? Very important this one. Okay, already we have come to the topic about the map. Next, in this lesson, by knowing the lesson perfectly, you can achieve the goals of how to make map, and similarly how to make and use of sketch map, and similarly you know about the what is meant by the directions, why the directions are related in the maps, and you know you will achieve about the scale. Okay, scale is nothing but, okay, don't think the scale, that scale. Okay, the scale means there is a measurement which we are using in the map painting, in the maps. Okay, again you can make what are the uses of maps. Okay, first of all, by knowing the maps, by knowing this lesson, we can achieve how to make the map and how to make the sketch map, and what is meant by directions, what is meant by scale, how the measurement is treated in a map, what is the uses of the maps. Okay, this is the second. By knowing this all, you can know this all things. Okay. Okay. Next, coming to the languages. By knowing the maps, you can find out the languages. For example, you know already there is a lot of speaking languages we have in our country, but we have only how many? We have only 22 official languages we have in our country. For example, you know, in Gujarat, okay, what they will speak? Maximum they will speak Hindi and Gujarati. For example, in Maharashtra, they will speak the Marathi. How do you know? You went to Maharashtra. How do you know? By knowing the maps. Or you are searching something by the maps, you can find number of things. Okay, these are uses of the maps. And okay, these are uses of the maps. About the particular location, about the crops, about the rainfall, about the languages, everything, etc. Everything you can know by the maps. Okay. Okay, all of you take the textbook book, page number 2. Okay, you can see here about the sketch map. There you have the questions. The first question: can you reach Mallika's house from the bus stand with the help of sketch map? Yes or no? Yes. We can go to the Mallika's house. Laila can go to the Mallika's house because Mallika repost the letter to the Laila about she told about the sketch map. That is why we can go to the Mallika's home. Not we. Laila can go to the Mallika's home. Next one. How many tons did Laila take to reach Mallika's house? Are there any landmarks in the tons? Yes. We have 2 turns. The first turn, there will be a market, is one landmark, and the second turn, there will be a school. That is the second landmark. Similarly, you see the third question: are the buildings shown in the sketch drawn to their actual size? Is there actual size? Building is smaller? No. Building is bigger than the sketch map. There is no actual size because buildings are bigger than the sketch maps. Okay, you see the next question. Can you tell the direction in which Laila walked? North or east? Okay, there is not mentioned the directions. See the sketch map. Is there any directions? There is no directions. Okay, Mallika missed the direction in the sketch map. Similarly, can you tell the distance towards the Mallika's house from the bus stand? No, you cannot say the distance. Is there any distance? 2 kilometers, 5 kilometers, is there any distance? No. Similarly, yes, Laila came to the Venkatapuram bus stand and from using the sketch map, okay, she does not know the distance. She does not know the distance, and that is why she took the auto towards the Malika's house. She took the auto towards the Malika's house, and she does not know the specified directions. At last, after coming to the Malika's home, Laila was very tired in search of Malika's house because there is no directions. There is no directions and there is no distance in the sketch map. This is a fault. This is a wrong done by the Malik. Okay. If there is a proper directions and if there is a proper distance, easily Malika, okay, Laila will come towards the Malika's home. Okay, next topic. I will say about the important topic about the sketch map. Sketch map. Sketch map is nothing but it is a simple picture. It is a simple picture. It is a simple picture which we can draw very quickly. Okay, it is a simple picture which we can draw very quickly and does not have many things. Okay, very important keywords. Sketch map is nothing but a simple picture which we can draw very quickly and does not have many things. I will say a small story about the Laila and Malika. Okay, Laila and Malika, I will say a small story about the Laila and Malika. Already the story you have in the textbook. Okay, Laila and Malika met at the Nizamabad. Okay, Red Cross Society, Red Cross service activity. They met there. They are very close to each other. One day, Laila is coming from. Okay, Laila is coming from Adilabad and Malika is coming from Venkatapuram. Okay, they are already close friends. You know already, if anyone is a close friends, they have to go their home. Similarly, Laila, which she was coming from Adilabad, wrote a letter to the Malika. I have to come to your home. Give me the suggestions in which, okay, how I would come to your home. Okay, Laila wrote a letter to the Malika. Malika was very happy by seeing the letter. Yes, my friend Laila is coming near to me. She reposted the letter towards the Laila. Okay, and she given one sketch map also. She given one sketch map. How after coming to the Venkatapuram bus stand, how Laila will come to the Malika's house. She given the sketch map also towards the. Okay, she posted the sketch map towards the. Okay, we come to the sketch map. Sketch map is nothing but a simple picture which we can draw quickly and we can know only some things. Okay, I told the story about the Laila and Malika. Okay, Laila coming from Adilabad, Malika coming from the Venkatapuram. Okay, but Malika does not show directions and distance in the sketch map. Okay, I told. But after coming, Laila goes to the Malika's house. After that, Malika told, sorry, I not know the directions and distance. Okay, next time when you will come, you say to the auto man, go to the South Venkatapuram. Immediately, Laila told, where is south? Okay. Laila told her, where is south? Malika told her, oh, you don't know the where is south and north. Okay. The opposite side of the south is called north. Replied by the Malikas. Okay. First, next topic. This is about the story. Next topic about the directions. It's about the directions. You know already we have the north, south, east, west directions. If I ask a question, anyone student, if I ask any question, where is the north, where is south, only some of the students will answer the question. Okay, I will say a small topic about the directions. East, sun rises in the east directions. Sun rises in the east directions. This is the east. Okay. Backward of your east is called the west. This is the east. This is the west. Towards right hand is called the south. Right hand is called the. This is very important. Right hand is called the south. Left hand is called the north. Left hand is called the north. Okay, this is very very important. Wherever you go by seeing the sun. Okay, this is the east, west, north, south, right hand, south, right hand, south. Don't go in the evening. In the evening, sun goes towards the west direction. Sun sets in the west direction. By going to the west, sun is here. This is the east. Don't say like that. The sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west direction. There in the textbook, you can see the picture. Okay, you have to fill up the box. You have to fill up that box. I think all of understood about the north, south, east and west. Okay, for example, if we can draw the map in the board, we can show north here, south here, east, west. East, west. We can say like that. Okay, north, south, east, west. At last I will say that direction is nothing but it is relative to something. Relative something. It is relative something. It's called the directions. Very very important. North, south. How many directions are there? North, south, east, west. Okay. Sun rises in the east. Sun sets in the west. Okay. It is in the south. Tamil Nadu is in the south. We have north. Jammu and Kashmir is in the north. Okay. You have to know. Totally. This is about the total topic of the directions. In the later classes, we can learn about the northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Okay. We can learn something again for. Okay. But in your standard, this direction is enough. Okay. Don't want to forget the directions. When you are going to surroundings, there are other directions. Go to the east, go to the west. You have to know the answer. Where is the east, where is the south. Okay, this is very very important for your daily life. Okay, this is about the today class. Okay, what I told today about the map. Map is nothing but is a model of the earth. We have the plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, rivers, oceans, coastal regions. We can find in the maps. And what is the use of the maps? By using the uses of the maps, okay, we can find out how much rainfall is there in a particular region. Okay, what type of crop they will grow, how much rainfall it falls. I giving the examples also. Next, come to the point. Types of maps I told this one is very important. Okay, I told 3: physical maps, political maps, thematic maps. Physical map shows the natural features like okay, it shows about the plains, plateaus, Okay, now coastal regions. Okay, next, a political map shows about the villages, cities, countries, etc. Thematic map shows only one aspect. It shows about the distribution of rainfall, about the highest growing rice in our country, about the number of crops, different types of crops grown in our country, etc. These are the thematic maps. And at last I told you about the sketch map. Sketch map is nothing but a simple picture, okay, which we will draw very fast, but gives only some knowledge by using the sketch maps, not more knowledge. Map will give the more knowledge, but sketch map will give the less knowledge. And at last we discussed about the Laila and Malika story also. Malika is missed in the sketch map. What the Malika is missing in the sketch map? Direction and distance. Okay, we told the direction also. East, where is the east, where is the west, north, south. Okay, this is about the today class. Okay, hope all you understood. Okay, thank you.